how to install a top flashing on your garage opening to complete your Cleverseal seals. All roller doors have operational gaps, and in some instances the top gap is larger than normal due to various reasons. So before you can install Cleverseal, you will need a custom flashing made to close the gap further. Cut down 2 pieces of block timbers, which will be hidden inside the flashing. Pre-drill 2 holes through the blocks so they can be fixed to the side brick face. Determine where the flashing will position on both ends, ideally flush with the original lintel. Then pre-drill your bricks for fixing the blocks to them. Leave enough room for flashing to sit correctly around the blocks. Secure the blocks to the brick. Your custom-made flashing should look something like this. Position your custom flashing to check the alignment and fitting. Silicone the inside wall of the lintel in which the flashing will be pressed up against. With the assistance of a partner or neighbour, hold flashing in place and secure fixings through the flashing into the blocks. Once you have your flashing in place, with a minimum gap, you are ready to place your top seal from Cleverseal, whether it's a fit to door seal or a fit to lintel. Contact us for more information or go to our website for more helpful tips and other products to seal your garage.